Hey beauties, today I am sharing my Amazon Black Friday picks. I don't want to ramble, I just want to get into this video. If you are new to my channel, my name is Deandra. I post lots of fashion and beauty content and a little bit of lifestyle. I'm starting to sprinkle some of that into my videos. If you think you would enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I always try to keep it very affordable around here. Hit that subscribe button and let's get into these Amazon Black Friday finds. I'm so excited. Really quickly want to thank Ana Luisa Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I have worked with them in the past and their jewelry is so high quality and amazing. They are also having a huge Black Friday sale. I want to say right now it's buy one get one 40% off. If you don't know anything about Ana Luisa Jewelry, it is all sustainable, recycled gold and silver jewelry. I love that about their brand because I've been trying to be more aware of my carbon footprint and just, you know, taking our environment into consideration. So I really love that they have high quality yet affordable jewelry and it's not going to tarnish. I have had several of their pieces for months and months and months. Actually, these ear huggies I don't ever take off, not even to shower, and they still look just as amazing as day one. I finally did get my hands on this mama necklace and I am obsessed. I'm never taking it off. It is just dainty and beautiful and so gorgeous. Also, this chain, how beautiful. It does have a little plate right here that says Be You. I do also have a set of theirs. It was a set of 3 necklaces, and what I love about that is that it comes in a set, but it's not all one necklace. It is 3 individual necklaces, so I can mix and match every single necklace that I have from Ana Luisa and create my own stack and style just depending on my mood or my outfit. I did also pick up this ear huggy. I've been wanting a new ear piercing. The piercings up here on your ear, they kind of hurt and they're very sensitive, so I thought I would go with a little huggy. I will have all of Ana Luisa's information down in the description box below. You cannot go wrong with jewelry as a gift for literally any woman in your life, no matter what her age is or what her style is. So definitely recommend checking them out for high quality jewelry at a great price. All right, so now you know where to shop for jewelry. Let's get into Amazon Black Friday picks. And I do want to start off with the most obvious thing to buy on Amazon Black Friday, and that is Amazon devices. I actually picked up this as a set on Amazon Prime Day, so I know that they're going to be doing that for Black Friday as well. I did upgrade to the Echo Show 5. I still have them in the boxes because I'm not sure if I want to set them up now or wrap them and put them under the tree, but I am so excited for both of these. This one is the one that has the screen. You can see your ring from it. You can see your camera. I did pick up this little Blink Mini for the upstairs playroom, you know, because I want to spy on my kids. You can see the blink from here. You can also see it from your cell phone. I think I got this one for under 20, and as a set it was like 70 bucks. I can't remember exactly how much it was on sale for. Under 90 for sure. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Prime Day, those are the best days to buy devices. I do also have the Echo Dot. I use this to play Pandora or Amazon Music while I'm cleaning the house or washing the dishes, or just want to get the kids off the TV and off the screens. We'll just play some music and have a dance party. I do also recommend one of these like wall plug cord holders because otherwise the Dot just kind of sits on your counter with the cord everywhere, and it's a long cord. Want to say that they have options on Amazon that have like a shelf where you can put your phone on top. I'll probably move this up to like upstairs to the kids' playroom or something so that they can have a speaker up there. Also, speaking of having things that connect to Alexa, let's talk about, there's my dog Trying to see what's in our presents. By the way, what do y'all think about the Christmas setup? I do have a tree decorate with me video in the works. I still have 2 more Christmas trees to decorate, but I did show this on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should. Well, I will leave my Instagram handle right down here. Anyways, back to this. This is very clearly an iRobot. Definitely recommend getting these on Black Friday. My robot vacuum is my favorite thing ever. I'm recommending it on Amazon because you can find the ones that connect to Alexa, which this one does. I got this one on Black Friday last year. Literally all I have to do is tell Alexa to turn on my RoboVac and my floors are clean. I don't even have to lift a finger, you guys, and it is so amazing. Same thing goes for an Instapot. I will always recommend buying an Instapot on Black Friday, no matter where it's from. But if you get it from Amazon, you can guarantee that your Instapot is going to connect to Alexa. Having one that connects to Alexa really is amazing. It's worth it. My mother-in-law is amazing and got this for me, and I am forever grateful because I use this for everything. Okay, so now let's talk about this cordless vacuum. Such a great buy. I've done several demos of me using this vacuum on Instagram stories. I do have it saved to my highlights if you want to check it out just to see how it works and more in-depth opinion about this. The charge lasts over an hour. It has 2 other attachments. It has a long skinny one. It also has a short square one with a brush, and it even comes with the wall hanger that stores all of the attachments. So it's just amazing. I really recommend this. If you are someone who does like a name brand vacuum, they did have some on sale during Amazon Prime Day, so I guarantee they're gonna have some kind of Dyson on sale on Amazon. I use this every single day. I don't mind that it's not a name brand. It works really great for me. Oh, also I did want to mention Nintendo Switches. I don't know why I didn't grab that, but we did get the Nintendo Switch on Black Friday last year. They have so many Amazon accessories, from the steering wheels to the controller extensions, and when they were on sale during Prime Day, they sold out on the first day. So be on the lookout for that on Amazon, and you can also get your accessories there for a great price. All right, I have several curling irons here, so let's talk about them. So this one right here has 5 attachments. I am currently using this bubble looking one. I really love the curls that it gives me. I do have a tutorial coming out soon. I just had to pump out some Black Friday content first, but I do want to mention this because it has different attachments. So you literally get 5 curling irons in one. It has the bubble one. It also has 2 sizes of the attachment with the clamp, and it also has 2 attachments of one that just looks like a regular one where it goes thick to small. If you are interested in something like this, definitely check out the code down in the description box below. It's such a great gift, you guys. 5 curling irons in one. I curled my hair using this little bubble attachment, and I got so many DMs on Instagram to get a tutorial up. Those curls are still these curls, which they have kind of, you know, fallen, but they are still very pretty. That was like 4 days ago, you guys, and I have not even touched my hair with a curling iron. I have my bangs because my, you know, my bangs do go more flat, but the rest of my hair, it's still looking good. I should have cleaned it off. I'm kind of embarrassed to even show it to you, but I'm obsessed with it, so I'm going to show you anyway. It is this round brush blow dryer. This one is a lot smaller than the Revlon one, and I really love it. It has 2 other attachments. One that's just like this, but a little bit smaller, like an inch barrel. I do stick with this one because my hair is longer, but if I had shorter hair, I would use the smaller barrel. And then it also has the brush attachment. I have done a whole video trying this this one out. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it in the description box below. I do also have a video using the Revlon round brush blow dryer that everyone went crazy for. I'm sure that's gonna be on sale on Black Friday. It's also amazing, but I do like this one more because it does give me a more curled end. That one just kind of straightens out my hair. This particular one I have not been able to find on Amazon, but I have found several other ones that are very similar with great reviews, so I will link those. Again, if you are someone who does like a name brand product, the T3 was on sale during the Amazon Prime Day sale, so I guarantee it's going to be on sale during Black Friday. They had the white and gold one. I have the blue and gold one because I did get this during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and they only had the blue and gold left, but I really like the blue and gold color. I think it's pretty and I think it's different. All right, so let's talk fashion, my favorite. The first thing that I absolutely want to recommend from Amazon Fashion is this Larkin Row, oh it's stuck, bodycon midi dress. You guys, this one is so stretchy and amazing and beautiful, and it made me feel like $1,000,000. I just had a baby like 5 months ago, so I'm not like that confident in a bodycon dress, you know. Got a little mom belly, that's okay, but this, when I put it on, it smoothed everything out without even having to wear Spanx. I still wore Spanx, don't get me wrong, but I showed y'all on Instagram how it looked without Spanx. I will also include a picture of how it fit me. I'm usually between a small and a medium, and I picked up the small, mostly for length because I am only 5'1". It comes in a navy blue and a black as well. You really can't go wrong with any of the colors. I also want to recommend these mules. These are very similar to the Gucci ones, except they are by Amazon Essentials. They're amazing. I've had them for over a year and a half now, and they're still in great quality. They have a squishy sole. They were on sale during Prime Day for under $20. Another piece that I want to recommend that will for sure be on sale is this Sherpa. So it is a half zip Sherpa. It also has like side pockets. It doesn't have a big pouch pocket, which I really like. The lining is really nice because it's not Sherpa. It's actually this really soft, like stretchy material. I sized up to a medium. This is by Daily Ritual. Again, another Amazon brand. Very high quality, heavy, warm, and soft. Comes in several different colors, and I absolutely love this one. This is actually what everyone considers the Barefoot Dreams Amazon dupe. I did a side-by-side video. It's not the exact same material or anything like that, but it's just as soft. It's so amazing. They have several styles of this cardigan. I actually have the Batwing one, but they do have just a regular style cardigan. If you want to see the side-by-side comparison of the Amazon one and the Barefoot Dreams one, I will also leave that in the description box below. Now we have gotten to the men's suggestions. I first want to talk about this beard straightener because it's just like a brush, and Josh asked me for one of these forever. I was actually surprised that he asked me for this because he's definitely a minimal kind of guy. A little bit of hair gel, some beard oil, cologne, and out the door. But he did want this for a while, so I finally got him one, and he is obsessed with it. I am even obsessed with it because when he uses this, his beard looks so nice. Definitely recommend this if your man has a beard. I did get him this Good Threads button up. It looks so good on him. It runs true to size. It's not too heavy or too light. Comes in several different colors. They have so many options from solids to other plaids, and I just love this Christmas plaid, and it's a great classic. Another great classic that I know is gonna be on sale during Black Friday is this Columbia vest. Many Columbia options. There goes my dog. Now he's just staring at me. Hey, Wrangler. back to this. This is a great classic. Comes in several different colors. A great brand. You know it's gonna be great quality. They are on Amazon right now for like 22 bucks. I guarantee they're gonna be on sale for Black Friday. Still, $22 for this Columbia vest is a really good price. So you don't even have to wait to get to Black Friday to get a good deal on this. Pair of Amazon brand boots. It's a really nice aged leather. It just looks like more of a vintage vibe, and I really love that. xoxo is the brand. They run true to size. I love the thick sole on this. My arm's getting tired. They're very heavy, sturdy boots. Can't go wrong with a basic like this. That is everything that I have in front of me today, but you guys know that I'm already shopping Black Friday. I have a whole Black Friday list curated for you guys. Everything from what's on my wish list to what's on really good sale. Fitbits, watches, name brand sunglasses, Levi's they always have on sale, Dysons, T3 curling irons. So literally anything that you are looking for, anything that you can think of, you will find it on Amazon Black Friday. So go check out my Black Friday list down below. If you want to binge more of my content, maybe some of my Amazon try-ons so you can see all of the clothing that I've ever bought on Amazon, I will leave 2 videos right over here, as well as that subscribe button right here. If you haven't subscribed already, here's your opportunity, and turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.